There's very few things that are harder than watching your child suffer and not being able to help them. There's a lot of misunderstanding around childhood cancer. When my son was diagnosed, I thought all this innovation you see in the news, that although he was diagnosed, I thought we were going to fix this. It's only after I started digging that I recognized that Sebastian's circumstance of having a 40-year-old treatment, which was ineffective, highly toxic, it was brutal, is not uncommon in pediatric cancer.